My name is Renee McKinnie. I'm from Detroit, Michigan. My major is rehab medicine, and I am fourth year, graduating in May. There you go. When I first moved in as a freshman, I was very open. I was really optimistic to the opportunity. I was excited to go away from home and live away from my parents. I knew that it was going to be something different and something new, and I like change, so. The dorms are really, really nice. They're like better than any other school I ever been to, so I feel like that was like a real shocker for me, how nice they were. Even though campus is not going to be like it used to be due to COVID, I feel like especially incoming freshmen should just be here for the experience. Get to know people, network. Don't be down because it's COVID. Just practice safe precautions, and then yep, you'll be okay. As a NETS ambassador, my main role is health and wellness, so I'm going to be basically tracking the COVID-19 cases, educate my residents, educate the community, and then me being an RA, I could go programs based off, health and wellness, stuff like that. So it's kind of like I'm wearing two hats at once, but it's all the same thing. I'm always helping someone, yep. I actually want to be an athletic trainer. So I'm always going to the field to help people. I want to be that first person on the field when someone's get injured or stuff like that. So I feel like me, always been around to help my residents or be able to help the community out on everything they need. I'm always in the field of helping.